Today we are going to watch the first atoms form in the universe. Atoms are very important in this story. It's what we are made of. Without atoms, we could not exist. So far we have seen protons form, having a positive electric charge. We've seen electrons, large cloudy-like objects with a negative electric charge. And there is a force of attraction between these objects. So far in the story, we have gone 1 hour since the Big Bang. The universe is still very hot, and these particles were moving around very quickly, too quickly to stick to each other, and so no atoms were formed. We now follow the universe as it expands over 400,000 years, and as it expands it cools and the particles travel more slowly. So now the force of attraction between them is strong enough to pull the protons and electrons together to form an atom. So the first atoms formed. The simplest of these atoms was when one electron stuck to one proton. Such an atom is called hydrogen. It's given the symbol H, and its name means maker of water, because hydrogen is an important part of the molecule we know as water. Hydrogen is the most abundant atom in the universe. If we could cut a hydrogen atom in half, or any other atom for that matter, we would see that the electron forms a hollow shell. Most of the inside of an atom is empty, and the cloud-like electron forms a shell all around it. And in this image, the nucleus, the proton at the centre, is called a nucleus. It's so small we wouldn't be able to see it. Other atoms formed as well. We've already seen that alpha particles were formed from 2 protons and 2 neutrons, and they were therefore able to attract 2 electrons. This formed an atom which we call helium, symbol He. It's slightly smaller than a hydrogen atom because the force of attraction between the electrons in the shell around the outside and the 2 protons in the nucleus in the centre, this force of attraction is stronger, so they are pulled in more tightly. The name helium comes because this atom was first identified in the Sun, and the Greek name for Sun is Helios. A nucleus lies at the centre of every atom, and it is extremely small in comparison with the electron shell around the outside. The electron shell is about 100,000 times bigger than the nucleus. So if we imagine an atom the size of an Olympic stadium, then the nucleus at the centre would be about the size of a grain of rice. Thank you for watching.